Hi everyone, grateful to have you with us again today. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here doing a walk around with you on a 2019 Ram 1500 Longhorn Edition. The point of our walk arounds is transparency, showing you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the Longhorn, just scroll up, it's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus view an original window sticker, a free CARFAX report, grab some financing options, or a shipping quote to ship the 1500 anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Ram, so let's get to that walk around. Okay, we're walking around the Ram, as you can see. Beautiful tread on the tires. Small chip here. There's one on this side. Two down here, and a couple in here. But the rest of the hood and the rest of the finish on this is in fantastic condition. Being it has almost 44,000 miles on it in a little over 3 years, this thing is in well above average condition, especially for a truck. This thing was well taken care of, as you can see. Clear coat, no dings, dents, scratches. Panoramic sunroof, and the rest of the roof is in beautiful condition as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the interior, shall we? All right, showing you what doesn't show up in our photos, which is the sunshade there for the sunroof and the headliner all the way around, which is in like new condition. And as you can see, so is the top of the dash, wood grain and leather stitching. But if you have any questions at all concerning the interior or exterior, please give Jennifer her call. Her name and number should be located at the top of your screen.